Hello, SmartBear Community. Today we are talking with Yury Vakhatov, our SmartBear Community Leader. Yury has incredible expertise in working with TestComplete, and today he will share the secret of his success with us. Hello, Yury. How are you?
Hello, Tanya. Hello, Smart Bears. I'm fine. Greetings from Latvia. Today, shiny, sunny day.
Could you please start with kind of a short introduction of yourself for the SmartBear community? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do in your spare time?
I'm 41 years old. I live in Riga. It's a capital of Latvia, the small country on the Baltic seaside, somewhere near Sweden, from the east of Russia, from the south of Sweden. I have graduated Riga Aviation University, where I was learning economics and computer sciences. I have a big family, consists of my wife and 5 children, 2 daughters and 3 sons. About my working experience during the last years, I was working as a technical writer, software tester, test automation engineer, quality assurance manager. Also, I have some developers' background in the field of ETL solutions.
Oh, very rich background. And now you demonstrate incredible knowledge of TestComplete in the SmartBear community. And I'm sure that you can give us and you can share with us the, say, top 5 TestComplete features which each new user should learn first in order to continue learning TestComplete.
Top 5?
Like kind of top 5, like major features which will help to learn the product.
First one, the great feature of TestComplete, and it's no joke, it's incredible documentation. And each new user should make a bookmark in the browser, TestComplete documentation, and this is the best point for the start and for deep learning of everything connected with TestComplete. It's really good documented tool.
Okay, great.
Respect to your team.
Great to hear this from a technical writer.
Yeah. And second one, I think it's a name mapping. Name mapping opportunities, name mapping repository, aliases. It's also good implemented. Have a good architecture, and I like how it works. Next one is checkpoints, and especially object checkpoints. I love this feature very much, and I'm very sad that you're going to stop support of this feature. Because it is very useful. It was very useful in my projects, and I hope you will continue this feature in future releases. It was third. Next one, let it be the wide range of supported languages. I was happy that when you start support Python language, because I am a Python coder and this is my favorite language to the moment. So this is very modern feature and also good implemented. And the last one, it's I think it's a new cloud tool, cloud technology, which you start using, cross-browser testing.
Mm-hmm.
It's also useful and very useful for engineers who make cross-browser testing, because usually you don't have all version of operation systems of different browsers on your machine. They're different. If you install on one machine, they can conflict between each other. So this is also a great feature.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing these great features with us. So nowadays, functional software testing is very important. And for these companies set up a lot of different testing frameworks and procedures. Can you describe which major components a good testing framework should have? Or can you describe the one which you use?
Mhm. First of all, good framework should strongly divide um, implementation of the application of page or of screens of user interface. It should be divided from the mapping of elements of this application from the functionality. It's what we call a page object model, yes, or page object approach in testing, and it works for all applications, for mobile, for web, for desktop, everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you understand it, you should have different models, name mapping model, help methods, help functions for your testing frameworks, some third-party libraries, for example, to send emails, to work with databases, and so on.
Mm-hmm.
This is the main things, I think.
Okay, great. That was very helpful. Thanks a lot. And several words about the SmartBear community. So you joined the SmartBear community only 3 years ago, and all this time you contributed a lot of valuable information to the TestComplete community especially. And last quarter you earned the community leader status one more time. So my congratulations. But obviously, you didn't just come to the community and earn the leader status right away easily, right? So tell us your story. How did you come to the community? If you remember your first post, what was it about?
Before I have posted my first post, I was in a read-only mode for years. When I was working in one software company as a quality assurance engineer, I didn't perform automation. I was just a manual tester and write test scenarios. But I knew that this company was using TestComplete for their test automation, and I have never used this tool before and never heard about. No, I hear about it, but never use it. And the first thing I did, I was suddenly opening Google and typing TestComplete, and first link I got, it was the link to community. So I was a reader, yes, and one moment I start to use TestComplete by myself. I was a name mapping engineer in one company, then I write automation by myself. From time to time, I ask community about things that seemed too complex to me. And one day I found a question to which I knew the answer, and because I faced the same problem previously and successfully solved it, so I became a contributor.
Okay, so easily. Just read for years, and after that you will know what to
This
apply, how
was
to help.
fine.
Okay, and now what motivates you to be so active in the community? Do you like helping people, or do you like getting kudos?
First of all, I think that people should help each other. It's a kind of a big philosophic question. I believe in professional solidarity and in continuity of experience. If somebody has a question and they know the answer, I should provide it. It's a very simple approach. I believe it is my duty because all information I know at the moment about everything I received from other people, from my parents, teachers, mentors, colleagues, from the SmartBear community, of course, even from my kids. So I should return this to society. Kudos and gift cards, of course, are also very pretty things, but I try to consider them like a compass, which just show me the correctness of my professional way.
We are very happy that you are with us and that you continue your great contribution to the SmartBear community. That was very interesting to learn more about you. Do you have anything to add to the SmartBear community, to the world?
Just want to say you always should be aware and open to new ideas, try them and critically analyze. And every who want to be a professional must be a part of his professional community, because it helps us from one hand to be open for new knowledge, and from the other hand to share our experience with others.
Okay, great. That was very interesting. And thanks for the interview, and thanks for sharing your advice to the SmartBear community.
Thank you, and good luck to everybody.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye, Tanya.